about Mavi and Nagarkoti. I have played with them. They were there in the squad with 23 India. We were there together. I think Mavi. Uh,
और स्टीव स्मिथ ने कहा कि they were accustomed to playing in Sharjah, so they thought that this is also the same ground, similar. बहुत छोटा.
yes.
Where should Mahendra Singh Dhoni bat? Is Ravi Bishnoi the pick of the tournament? What's wrong with RCB? Is this average middle order still the biggest concerns? Well, I'm Arijit Kundu and you're watching What's Up IPL, a weekly analysis of the biggest festival of the tournament by cricketers and experts from the cricketing world. Like, share and subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned to Cricket Reborn.
So hey guys, hello everybody and welcome back to What's Up IPL, and this is the second episode up here. We've got a very special guest once again with us, and this is all about the second week of IPL. Well, he has featured in the under-19 of India's, and he's also featured in India under-23s and also played the Asia Cup on the winning end. And he's a very promising left-handed middle order batsman, and let's welcome guys none other than Yash Rathore along with us. All the way from Vidarbha Cricket Association. Well, yes, Yash, how are you? How have you been doing?
Yes, I'm really good. I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. You know, it's IPL time, so a bit of positivity
Yes.
coming up here in 2020.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. As I mentioned that there will be two kind of segments, and that is we'll be speaking about what happened in the last week of IPL. You know, what are the things, and a few opinions here and there about you. You know, what are the things that went
Yes.
wrong with few teams, and how can
Okay.
they, you know, your opinions, how can they go on? So first of
Okay.
all, I'd love to make a note that this is the Indian Premier League, and this is one of those years where we are seeing those Indian talents, getting a lot of runs, getting a lot of wickets. They're really performing so very well. So we have seen some
Yes.
standout performances up there, such as a few from Sanju Samson, few from Prithvi Shaw. Shubman Gill has been very excellent. Kamlesh Nagarkoti, Shivam Mavi, and there have been many others. So KL Rahul, Mayank Agarwal. So among all of this, who is that one guy who has been your favorite till now? The most standout performances.
Okay. So my favorite, I would say, two people.
Okay.
Can I?
Yeah, sure. It's all your show.
One will be Shubman,
All right.
and second will be Sanju Samson. Why Shubman? Because he played in that situation when team needed him the most.
Yeah.
He played really well. He took a lot of risk when actually needs him. Okay.
Yeah, and he
So-
leads from the front also.
Yes, he has taken proper responsibility as well in that match.
Yeah.
You know, recent match where he scored 67 odd runs, 70 runs in 60 balls.
Yeah. I think.
So he played a really matured inning that
Yeah,
day.
against Sunrisers Hyderabad. Yeah.
Yes,
And
a very matured inning. That's why I loved his batting in that match. And about Sanju Samson, genuinely, I love him when he bats because the way he picks up the ball, you know, जब बॉल गिरता है वो जिस तरह बॉल को पिक करते हैं मारने के लिए and जिस तरह उनका फ्लो आता है बैट का, जिस तरह वो कितने कामली बैटिंग करते हैं, तो वो मुझे काफी उनका पसंद आता है. इसलिए ये दो चीज मुझे काफी पसंद आई दोनों
हाँ बिल्कुल.
players में.
और संजू सैमसन आई थिंक एक बात है कि वो हमेशा एक बहुत ही अच्छे प्लेयर है, हम सभी को पता है, पर
Yes.
जो बड़े रन आए हैं वो शारजा पे आए हैं. और जो रिसेंट
शारजा पे आए हैं.
क्योंकि शारजा का ग्राउंड थोड़ा सा छोटा है, तो
तो छोटा है,
स्मिथ
yes.
उस दिन बोल रहा था कि उस दिन लास्ट डे में जो हम राजस्थान के साथ मैच था केकेआर का, हम देखे कि संजू
Yes.
कोई भी उतना खेल नहीं पाया, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. और स्टीव स्मिथ ने कहा कि they were accustomed to playing in Sharjah, so they thought that this is also the same ground, similar. बहुत छोटा.
Yes.
So, what are your
Yes.
feelings about that? You know, does it get really a little bit difficult to adapt to these kind of conditions, like you're playing in a small ground again and again, फिर आप एक भरे मैदान पे आ जाते हो और खेलते हो. आपका एक्सपीरियंस आपको क्या लगता
See, no, I don't feel कि ये सब चीज कोई मैटर करता है
है?
कि छोटा ग्राउंड है ये, बट वो एक प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में मैटर करता है मेरे हिसाब से. क्योंकि सी मैच आपको 2 दिन पहले पता होता है कि आप कौन से ग्राउंड पे खेलने वाले हैं. अगर आप शारजा में खेल रहे हो तो आपको पता है ग्राउंड छोटा है, तो जब आप ग्राउंड पे जब जाते हो खेलते हो तो आपको पता है कि अगर मेरा बॉल अच्छा टाइम भी हो गया तो यू नो आप लोग अडॉप्ट करते हो अपने आप को उस सिचुएशन के हिसाब से कि ये ग्राउंड इस वे में, तो मैं अपने गेम को इस वे में खेल सकता हूँ. मतलब उतना पावर यूज नहीं करते. अगर शारजा में अगर वो बैटिंग कर रहे हैं तो उन्हें पता है कि अगर मेरा बॉल टाइम हो तो मैं चले जाएगा. बट अगर वो दुबई में खेल रहे हैं तो उन्हें पता है कि मुझे थोड़ा पावर यूज करना जरूरी है. तो वो इतने प्रोफेशनलिज्म प्लेयर है अभी वो लोग कि उन्हें ये सब चीज मेरे हिसाब से मुझे नहीं लगता कोई फर्क पड़ता होगा. ना ही हमको, हम लोग जो खेलते हैं उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आई थिंक दे ऑल आर क्लियर्ड प्रीटी वेल फ्रॉम व्हाट दे वांट टू डू.
बिल्कुल. Okay. So now, you know what? There's an interesting thing that I would love to say. You know, I think yesterday I was preparing a few questions, regarding this session and about Kings 11 Punjab. You know, I made a question. It was the first inning that was going on. Mumbai was batting, and I made some questions that what if KL Rahul and Mayank Agarwal doesn't clicks for one day? Will the Kings 11 Punjab middle order and the lower end will be able to cope it? Well, I got the answer yesterday, but I thought to ask you, beforehand. तो आपको क्या लगता है, लाइक हमने पहले देखे, मतलब कल देखे कि जो किंग्स इलेवन पंजाब का जो ओपनिंग डुओ है, जो केएल राहुल और मयंक अग्रवाल बहुत ही अच्छे लग रहे थे. कल खेल नहीं पाए, तो व्हाट आर दोस थिंग्स दैट नीड्स टू बी लुक्ड ऑन. मैक्सवेल, निकोलस पूरन बड़े प्लेयर है, पर आपको क्या लगता है, कोई चेंजेस चाहिए या फिर समथिंग?
About changes, I don't feel about changes. See, Nicholas Puran has played really good in the previous match. 47 he scored. I think he's a finisher. I think he should be there in the team every time. I feel this because he's a good finisher. Even though Maxwell as well, Maxwell has scored 100 in Australia and Australia versus England, I guess, in the one-day game. Yeah. So I think they both should be there in the squad. But if Mayank and KL doesn't perform, so I don't feel it will be a challenging for middle order, but it will be an opportunity for them. IPL is a platform where players can go to a high level instantly if they performed at the right time when team needs.
Absolutely.
है ना?
Yeah.
So it will be an opportunity because whoever there in the middle order, they all are professional and a experienced player. Challenging उसके लिए होगा. What I feel is who is a beginner, उसके लिए challenging होगा वहाँ पे खेलना. But Karun Nair, Sarfaraz, Nicholas Puran, Maxwell, they four are experienced player, so I don't think it will be challenging, but it will be a good opportunity to, अगर ये दो नहीं कर पाए तो हमारे हाथ में रहेगा, we'll finish the team off. So I think, yeah.
Okay, very well said out there, Yash. Now let's speak about Rahul Tewatia. He came a star, out of so
Yes.
We saw Rahul Tewatia that day. He was getting plumbed out there by Ravi Bishnoi again and again in 2 consecutive overs. So did you expect that to come? 5 ball 5 sixes to Sheldon Cottrell. Did you expect it?
Personally, no. But that day I was, I slept. Nahi hoga. But yesterday I just woke up and, next day I just woke up and I watched highlights and then I saw that, oh, he hit it really well. But see, what helps us as a budding cricketer is, that belief was there in him. That belief was there. After missing so much of ball to Bishnoi, and that, that time he showed his character. He was there. He was believing in himself that I can complete this game. So that was the best thing I felt about him. And I think as I have seen, even I feel that you have also seen Rajasthan Royals का जो camp चल रहा था recent Dubai में, so he was batting really good to pacers.
Yeah, absolutely.
Have you seen that?
Yeah, that net practice,
range hitting.
Yeah, range hitting. He was the highest one. He hit 3 consecutive sixes. And you know what? I would love to say this thing. जो उस दिन एक हुआ था ना, like कोई विश्वास नहीं कर रहा था, like जब तेवाटिया मिस कर रहा था बिश्नोई को again and again, then everyone was just नहीं होगा. But I was on the live commentating, but I was the proof. Like I was telling, I was saying like this, that Rahul Tewatia has done it. He can again do it. He's just one boundary or two sixes or something away from it. To just pump himself. Yes. That is the thing. And as soon as he got 1 6 out there, then he was just all set and he began.
Yes. So that's what I was saying. He was preparing pretty well to pacers. We have seen that he was hitting really good to pacers, and somewhere I feel he was ready that I can go on to Pacers because he was pretty confident about Pacers. What I feel, so
Yeah,
that's
and
why it helped him.
yeah, absolutely. According to you, how impressive has the KKR young lads been? Till now, Shubman Gill to Kamlesh Nagakoti the other day. Shivam Mavi has been brilliant with the new ball.
See about Shubman, I think he's an upcoming player for India. He's
It-
batting really well. He has performed really good for India A side. He's there in the team with India as well. About Mavi and Nagarkoti, I have played with them. They were there in the squad with 23 India. We were there together. I think Mavi is a very good of a bowler and he's a very good person. So they are bowling really good. And Nagarkoti, even Nagarkoti is doing all round performance in fielding, batting, and bowling as well. So it feels really good. I have played with them. So they are future stars of India.
Yeah, absolutely. And even you shall be, one of them. I'm hoping.
Yes, yes.
Absolutely.
I will.
Uh,
I will.
so have you faced Shivam Mavi and Kamlesh Nagakoti in the nets 140 plus?
Yes, I have faced Mavi, but not Nagarkoti. Nagarkoti was not well,
Acha.
but I have faced Mavi. Yes,
How
I
does
have
that feel?
faced it.
How's the experience?
In the nets.
Tough or
In the nets, yes. In the nets, it is very tough in the nets because box net, it feels 150 plus. So yes, it is. It feels,
Okay,
but it
okay,
is good.
okay. All right. Now speaking about the Royal Challengers Bangalore, so we have seen them winning 2 matches, and but still there is a concern. I think the lower middle order and then a death over. So according to you, what do you think is more concern for Royal Challengers Bangalore? Is it the death over bowling or is it the lower middle order, and why?
I think both, but more I think middle order
Lower middle order.
because opening they are giving a really good start, Patikal and Finch.
I think, yeah,
Virat is not in good form right now, but he will be back in the big match.
absolutely.
ABD is doing really good, but about Shivam Mavi and who is one more person?
Shivam
I don't
Dubey,
know.
Shivam Dubey, then
Shivam
Washington
Dubey and
Sundar.
Then
Then,
Gurkirat Man.
Gurkirat Man didn't bat, but Joshua Philippe, he batted the first 2 matches, but in the third one, the last one, there was Gurkirat Man, but he didn't bat.
Yes. So that there where I feel that is a problem, I guess, because they don't have a finisher. If ABD's got out,
Yeah,
then they have no one to finish. I think Shivam has not that much of experience to take the team through. So that thing I think they lack there because they don't have finishers like that Mumbai has
Pollard and a Pandya.
Pollard, Hardik, yes, and KKR has Russell,
Oh my goodness, I feel that's the biggest.
Ian Morgan,
Yeah. Then they've got DK
yes.
also
So
who can come and finish.
yes, so I think there they are suffering a lot, but in the bowling death overs, yes. See, I think Yuzi and Washington are bowling really good.
Yeah,
But
absolutely.
pace attack, I will somewhere pace attack. They need to be more consistent, I guess. On
Do
the
you
death
think?
overs.
Do you think that Chris Morris, if Chris Morris comes in there, then he'll be a very good additional option for them. But once again, like Chris Morris, since the last 2 years we have seen, like he's not the best. We have not seen the best of Chris Morris till now. Like the Chris Morris we knew, like a very good death over bowler, and also he's got a good amount of hitting capabilities. पर अगर लास्ट
Yes,
2 साल देखे तो उतना शायद नहीं है. तो क्या तुमको लगता है लाइक वो फिर भी क्रिस मॉरिस आने के बाद भी वो एक जगह वॉइड रह जाता है?
I don't feel कि Chris Morris खेलना चाहिए फिलहाल. Yes, he is a good bowler. He is a good all-rounder as well. But I don't feel because they go with Aaron Finch, they go with ABD, and they go with Zampa as well as a leg spinner,
Yeah.
and one they go with that left-arm medium pacer.
ईश्वर उदाना.
So Yashiro Udana, yes. So I don't feel कि जगह मेरे हिसाब से अभी बनती है, but वो
Yeah.
किसे बाहर बैठाएंगे?
वही एक बात है, like this is the early phase of the tournament, you can't make too many
Yes,
changes. It gives a negative
yes.
impact in the environment too.
But I feel in the next match, if Zampa seated out,
Yeah.
then I feel Chris Morris can play because extra all-rounder and a good finisher as well. They
And
can
they've
produce.
got the likes of Moeen Ali also, who can be a very good number 5 or 6 batsman. I think he's done good in the recent times, and he can also
He
bowl.
he has, but Washi is bowling really good, I
Yeah.
think, right now. And I don't feel Moeen Ali should play now. After some time, I guess he will.
All right, all right.
But IPL में कितने 4 तो खिला सकते हैं, किस किस को
हाँ.
खिला सकते हैं, सब अच्छा है.
वही एक बात है. तो okay, now let's speak about the top of IPL. There is Chennai Super Kings form. Every time we see Chennai Super Kings the top of the table, and this time they are really struggling, it seems. So Chennai Super Kings के बाद एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन खिलाड़ी IPL ऋतुराज गायकवाड़, but he's a genuine opener. So, but we have seen him coming in the pressure situations and playing. So I think it hasn't been that easy for him. So do you like to see someone like Rituraj Gaikwad playing as an opener alongside Shane Watson and not Murli Vijay for CSK?
Yes, Ruturaj Gaikwad is an opener batsman, but ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ को जगह तब मिली है टीम में when Ambati Rayudu is not fit.
Yeah.
That time he is a youngster, and if you want to click and if you want to perform at high level, तो वो चीज नहीं होगी कि भाई अगर तू ओपनर है तो तुझे ओपनिंग में आके परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा. So you have to be ready wherever you get the chance. You have to prove yourself. Anyhow,
Right.
Yes, nervousness are there, pressure situations are there. See, there are a lot of people who have performed as well. पीछे आके.
Yeah.
Riyan Parag has, I guess, he has scored
Absolutely.
15.
And
He has
he was,
performed. He's a youngster.
and he played a match-winning knock up there, in the last season.
Yes. So he has scored 50. So these are things. See, Ruturaj Gaikwad can go up, but Murli Vijay is an experienced player. After that, Faf is in a good
He is
form.
brilliant. He's
Shane
brilliant.
Watson,
He's a big match player.
He's
You
a
can't
match
put
winner.
him down.
yeah, he's a match winner.
On his day, he's unstoppable.
Yeah. So that is the thing. Ki you should perform where you get chance in the high level, because हमें वो नहीं मिलेगा जो हम चाहते हैं. And even I've gone through this.
Okay. Okay, share something about you. You know what you've gone through. It would be interesting to know.
See, I am a middle order batsman, number 4,
Yeah.
number 3, number 4 on one day games. Okay.
Yeah.
So there was a time when wicket was not falling at 35 overs, 40 overs. I'm a person who plays the inning till the end. I'm not a big hitter. of
Okay,
the
I get
ball.
it. Okay, I get it. Like someone like Kane Williams or Rahul Dravid, play the anchoring innings.
Yes,
Play till the end.
yes,
Absolutely.
yeah. I'm a person, I played like this. So after 35 overs, 40 overs, what comes? He can't hit.
Yeah.
Pull him down. He can't hit. He can go. He can play singles, but he can't hit. This is what people say.
Yeah.
लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं.
And we have seen this happening
वो
with
टाइम पे
Ajinkya Rahane
आपका जो
also.
बैटिंग ऑर्डर होता है वो चेंज होता है. या तो आपका ऑर्डर चेंज होता है. तो यहाँ मैंने वो चीज एक्सपीरियंस किया है कि यू शुड नो कि यू शुड बी रेडी. तुम्हें जहां मौका मिले तुम्हें वहां परफॉर्म करना है. तो दिस इज समवेयर आई लैग एंड आई एम वर्किंग ऑन इट नाउ. दिस इज द थिंग वेयर आई एम लैकिंग माय पावर, माय स्ट्रेंथ, माय हिटिंग पावर. कि लोगों ने बोलने का मौका नहीं मिलना चाहिए
बिल्कुल.
कि भाई ये जाके नहीं खेल पाएगा. यू हैव टू डू इट. एंड इफ यू वांट टू प्ले आईपीएल नेक्स्ट ईयर, तो आई कांट एक्सपेक्ट कि मुझे 3 नंबर बैटिंग मिलेगा इतने बड़े लोगों के साथ. नहीं, मुझे 3 नंबर, 4 नंबर, 5 नंबर
कहीं भी
मैच फिनिश करने के लिए भेज सकते हैं. कहीं भी भेज सकते हैं. तो यू शुड बी रेडी. तो यस.
All right, Yash. Now we'll come to our second and the last segment, and that is I'll be giving you a little bit of phrases or words, and you need to tell what is that thing which strikes your head first whenever you hear the phrase or that particular word. All right. So there are 11 in number, So 11 players in a cricket game. So 11 questions for you. So the first one up there it is cover drive.
Virat.
All right. Okay, Virat Kohli's cover drive. The next one, cricketing southpaw. Left-hander होना चाहिए, southpaw.
Cricketing South Gautam Gambhir.
Gautam Gambhir. Okay. Classiest batsman.
Classiest batsman Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma. Beautiful with the timing, isn't it? Just the way he times the ball.
100%.
Yeah. So the next one,
Yes.
prankster of the team. When you hear this,
Our team.
yeah, your team.
Ayush Badani. I have said as well. Yes, I have said as well before.
Okay. A long ranger. Who can play the long
Ranger.
Yeah.
Me.
You. Oh, okay. All right. Absolutely. So the next one, master of unorthodox shots.
Unorthodox shots. Anirudh Chaudhary.
So the next one up there, that is KL Rahul.
KL Rahul. Elegance.
Okay. Elegance. A beacon of hope.
Pujara.
Yateshwar Pujara. Okay. Fine. Since we are talking about IPL, so in a T20 game,
In a T20 game, dependable, I would say AB de Villiers.
AB de Villiers, absolutely. Last but not the least, swing king,
Swing King Bhuvi.
Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. And
Yes.
the last one right now, that is Mr. Destructive,
Russell.
Andre Russell. Okay,
Yes.
so Mr. Destructive,
Yes.
Andre Russell. Who better
Yes.
than him, in the present times?
No one. No one.
Okay, so yeah, Yash. So finally, I'd love to end this session with one thing, and that is, according to you, what do you feel? Which are the 4 teams that are going to qualify in the playoffs?
KKR.
All right,
Delhi Capitals. Mumbai Indians. And CSK.
CSK. Okay,
Yeah.
CSK is such a team. It's very hard to say that CSK won't get qualify into the playoffs. Until they lose
They
perhaps 6 to 7 matches. Yeah, absolutely.
They will. They will.
Because that brain they have got, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, it's like absolute genius.
Yes. Yes. Absolutely.
Okay. All right, Yash, thank you so much for coming up here in What's Up IPL, and it was a very pleasure to have you out here. And
you so
we are
much.
really
Thank
looking forward to a few more experiences up there with you in the days to
Yes.
come. And yeah, that's it. And guys, if you're still watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe Cricket Tribune up there. Follow me on Instagram to miss no notifications up there. From what's going in and around the IPL arena. And yeah, so before that, Yash, do you love to say anything about it? Lastly, anything for the youngsters of about anything, about the show?
About the show, I think it is really good. I loved to be here. I'm glad that I'm here. You called me up. I've enjoyed a lot. And for the youngsters, I would like to say, guys, keep working hard. Be honest to yourself. Keep working. Believe in yourself. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Yash, for coming up here. It was a lovely presence of yours, and even we have enjoyed it. Me personally have enjoyed it. So let's hope for many more to
I
come
hope
here.
you enjoyed.
Yeah. Until then, guys, see you later on. In the next in the coming week. With another special guest up here on What's Up IPL. Until then, goodbye and thank you.